Hello, how you doing? Look, today we're going to make this delightful fresh tuna fish curry. Really, really delicious. So look, I've got my fish there all chopped up nicely into nice big chunks. I've got there like 1 kg, which is 2.2 pounds. We're going to add some salt to that. I'm going to get a teaspoon, or just over maybe, of chili powder in there, and the same with turmeric. And then I've got a glove on here, so I'm just going to get in there and give that a little mix, and then simply we're off to the pan to start this beautiful, beautiful fish curry. So I'm going to be using coconut oil, but you can use a different oil if you want, but coconut's really nice with this one. Very simply, we're going to melt that down into the pan, and then I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds and a couple of dried red chili. Then to that, what we're going to do is we're going to get our fish, which has been coated in those spices, in, and we're going to throw that around on an above medium heat just for about 4 or 5 minutes. I'll be turning it a few times. And then next up, what we're going to do is add 2 cups of onion. I've sliced mine, you can chop them if you want smaller, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, which is a 50-50 mix of the two. And we're going to go again now on this above medium heat for about another 4 or 5 minutes. I'll be stirring fairly often. So that's absolutely delicious. Now I'm going to add 400 ml of coconut milk, nice and creamy. We're staying on this same heat again, by the way. And after about 4 minutes of that boiling away, we're going to go with 2 cups of bell peppers, nice bit of colour in there, you know. Then I'm also going to add fresh green chili. The amount's entirely up to you. And then I've got some ginger that I've cut, fresh ginger, nice strips like that. You know, want it kind of crunchy in the mix. Little bit of cilantro, little handful there. Give that a mix. You can let it go for 1 or 2 minutes only. Job done. It's absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy that. You keep safe, you keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and do please leave me a comment. I do get back to as many comments as I can. See you later.